Hello everyone. This is the 17th of November. The volumes are very low. Either you are looking S&P or Nasdaq, especially the S&P. Next week we have Thanksgiving. Today I did what? Today I didn't even record my trade. I was, as you can see, that is why I have the cursor over here in the 1 minute chart in the S&P and at 40,000 in the 5 minute chart. The volumes were non-existent. Nothing worked. I did one trade around here at 2150, basically because I thought it was going to be a pivot level, but so I sold around this time and I got stopped around, I got stopped later on, so 4-point loss regarding that. Again, I started the webinar by saying the main triggers for me are to the downside. I'm definitely buying, I said as well I'm going to buy the first Fibo, but it did pre-market. If you were watching one of my previous videos, I said the big level for a long, it's exactly 36, let me just make it a little bigger, 36.50. Unfortunately, did it pre-market the level. I do not trade pre-market, but that retains 15 points. And the next level for me is the 50% 01.25, but basically the big level for me is, let me show you in the daily, it's here, this level, 3,900. So the target, if you're seeing this video, for the buy is 3,900, and the sell is, let me just bring the hourly again, and the sell is, actually I'm going to show you in the 5 minute, and my sell point is at the 50% as well to the upside of the 5 minutes. So from here to here, the Fibonacci, the 50% retracement is 51.50, and have the daily as well, good, and or 51. So the 51 is the break level here of the range. As I said on Sunday, the market looked a little bit bearish, and the market is slightly bearish in the very short term. Since it formed this kind of pattern, that was a fake break, a false break, sorry, the trace back, that's a textbook. So that's textbook downside, it failed to close above, retrace back to the previous high, and boom, down. Now 3,900 to the downside, and the upside I said 3,951 for a sell, which is also the 50% and the daily low, the daily break low, let's say, of Friday 11th November. Since we broke that low, all it was downside. All right, I will see you on Sunday with the weekly recap. Not that we have anything much to say since the market was consolidating a little bit, but let's see what happens tomorrow, and I will create another video on Sunday. Have a nice weekend.